Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
A dishwasher not dispensing soap can stem from several issues: a blocked or clogged dispenser, a faulty dispenser mechanism, or insufficient water pressure causing the dispenser to not open properly. Ensure the dispenser is clean, free of debris or detergent buildup. If clean, check that the dispenser door operates smoothly. If issues persist, inspect the dishwasher's water pressure and, if necessary, consult a professional for a more thorough diagnosis or repair.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.